everybody, welcome back to the show. How is everybody doing? Good morning, or good evening. It's good to be back on this beautiful Tuesday London session. How's everybody? MSGFO, hello. I'm awake. Nickname, last name, hello there. He forgot the shift. No, I didn't. I purposefully starting the stream. I'm starting the stream at the usual time. I actually posted about this in the community post that I'm not going to start at 2 a.m. until March 29 because Europe has not shifted to the daylight saving time. So I'm going to start at 3 because we still have lots of time until London though. Funded-ish Subham, hello there. Hey, yeah, I was taking care of some personal things and I couldn't be here all day. Dave Mack, hello there. Polar Monkey, welcome back. Smokey the Soccer Dad, aka Ollie, welcome back. Daryl, good to see you, man. And Ashok Kumar is here. Good morning, welcome. How's everybody doing? How was yesterday? How was everything? Oh my gosh, look at that. We are above 10k in subs. That is amazing. K-Bell is here. Hello, welcome K-Bell. What's up? How are you doing? It's good to see you, everybody. All right. So, because we have made it to 10k, I think this week demands some extra giveaways. How about that? All I think is I know it's confusing. I know it is. It is really confusing. I know. It's a bit of a crazy thing. Faceless man, I know. Devil Jin, hello. What's up? Peach Bud. Happy daylight saving in the US. So yeah. Yeah, for me everything is like normal. But you know, I was like, there's no reason for me to start the stream at 2 a.m. because there's absolutely no movement in the market, right? So what should I do? I mean, we could be just staring the wall, watching paint dry, and not much is happening, right? So instead I decided, you know, let's just, I mean, because London is going to open in another hour, right? So there's not much of a reason to start earlier, right? Mika, good morning. Harshit, hello there. Bad situation, unable to get out my first breakup. Oh no. That could affect trading. I know. Oh man. Well, I hope you make it. I hope you can control the situation. It's a tough spot. I know, Arshit. People are confused about the change in time. Yeah, so the thing is, London is opening at the same time, guys. The only problem is right now right now in March is that US got closer to London, so the kill zones actually moved a little bit. So this is, I could start at 2 a.m. Eastern Standard. I know I could start the stream at 2 a.m. but the thing is, there's no reason for it because the kill zone now pushed with 1 hour, just a little bit. So we still have time until London. So yeah, like what can we do, right? But yeah. Yeah, just a second here. Let me just check something real quick. I think I'm just watching this market if it wants to go a little bit higher. Seems like it might want to. I'm not sure. Are we gonna break the 25k? I'm just kind of wondering. Kind of seems like it wants to. I don't know. Because earlier in the Asia session, it couldn't. So you know, anything is possible. Good morning, Confluence Trader. Hello there. And look at this here. Hello. Made 2k in Asia, lost 2k, and made, oh my gosh, quite a roller coaster. So are we going to break higher here? It seems like it wants to break the 25k. What do you guys think? Is this gonna go for it? I think it might want to. It's pretty close, actually. I don't know. It's kind of close. But there was a zone here on the 1 minute. Oh my gosh. Okay, we just broke higher. So there was a zone there earlier. Let me check something. Yeah, it's too late. It's too late to jump in now. Too late to jump in. I don't want to chase it. I just decided I don't want to chase it. I don't care. 25k today. You think so? We can get there. Is this going to be like a super rally today? I'm on MyFundedFutures. Oh, let's go. Look at awesome. First time trading. That is amazing. Good luck with the account. Goran, hello there. Book $200 across 5 accounts. Let's go. That is more than enough for the day. Mr. Smith is here. Yeah, gold is playing some mind games here, right? Actually, I don't know if I did the... Okay, there's no markups on gold. Let me do the charting real quick. All right. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing here. Here is the high. Maybe gold wants to go a little bit higher as well. I'm not sure. Who knows? There's a zone down there on the 15-minute. Okay, that is a 15-minute demand zone. It's a little bit way down there. Nothing on the 5. Nothing there. A 3-minute. Okay, there's something on the 3-minute chart. Okay, 3-minute demand zone right around midnight. That's the closest one. 5167.9. And so far, that is it. I don't think I'm going to trade gold. So yeah, back below 25k. We do have some cool levels here. Look at the 1 minute. Look at how awesome this is. Just created another 1 minute level here at 9:58. I'll be right there in a second with you guys. Do we want to scalp this back to 9:58? There's a small gap up there. 958.75. Let's see. Open is 958.50. Okay, 958.50. All right, I do like that. Okay, I might going to try to scalp it down to 958.50. I'm liking it. That is going to be a 1 minute demand zone, but first I think it might want to reprice that level. So down there we have a 2 minute zone and we have a liquidity void. Also we have a liquidity void down there, so I would go bearish if possible. 82. Okay, so like I think we can get 20 points here on this drop on the 1 minute. Right. So if we can get 20 points, 58.50, yeah, that would be it. All right, let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. All right, guys, let me read the chat because gold higher, need to take yesterday. You don't think it goes? It can. I'm not saying it cannot. I'm just going to react. Like yesterday, this was New York high. Yeah, so it can still go. Yeah, so if we shift higher than the 19, then obviously we have every chance to go higher. That is why I'm going to try something. Maybe it's a little bit of a bold move, but I'm going to try it anyways. It's a bit of a bold decision to make, but I do like the situation. No displacement yet. Yes, I will be on the stream. Yeah. I will be. And because we went above 10K subs, obviously this week is going to be giveaways. How about that? Giveaway all over the place. MyFundedFutures giveaways. How about that? We're going to do MyFundedFutures giveaways. There was a shift here, but I don't know. I'm not convinced. 1991. Do I want to go there? 1991 and take it all the way down. Risk to reward ratio. Can I go with 2 micros here? Or maybe 3 micros with a sell limit? I can go with 3 micros. That's all right. That's okay. This is, kind of a probe trade, and we'll see how it goes. If it goes higher, then obviously I was offside. No big deal. And let's go for 60. How about that? Actually, 60 point. Yeah. 60.25 should be okay. All right. If we go higher, then maybe we can focus on previous day high, or we're just gonna wait. We'll see. Buy, don't sell. Oh yeah, you might be right. You might be right on this one. Hello, nickname last name. I passed my first ever eval. Let's go. Congratulations, your first ever evaluation account passed it. That is amazing. That is amazing, man. Yeah, I mean, this area here is a little bit risky. So I'm not really trusting the drop either. This is my only 3 micros. I'm okay with that. But yeah, it's a bit of a risky trade. First 100 accounts burned. Don't worry about it. Arnux, it happens. Don't worry. It happens. Even funded. It's a different journey for everybody. Everybody has a different journey, man. Everybody. So just don't give up. As long as you have enough passion and you see yourself, you can visualize that you can make that profit, then you will. Okay, that's it. We done only 1,000 points. That was, yeah, I saw the movements later night. I mean, I was like, whoa, insane market. So guys, this is how it's gonna be. Because of the time shift, it's a little bit difficult for me to stream the London and the early New York sessions. So although I do want to trade in the and stream in the early, I mean in the New York morning. So what I might going to do is when I finish at MyFundedTV, at least until March 29, it's kind of an upside down situation. So in the next, like this week and in the next 2 weeks, what I might going to do is when I finish up at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard at MyFundedTV, I might try to switch back to my channel to trade the New York AM session, right? So that means I might going to skip the 7 a.m. trading hours. I just don't have enough time because I have to take care of some other things outside of the charts. I do have to go to the gym. Time goes so fast that, you know, I just can't squeeze everything into those few hours. So when I finish up with MyFundedTV, I can start in a few minutes. I can start immediately my stream so we can still trade the AM session. Just saying. Anyway, what's happening on ES? Okay, ES also going higher. Let's check on some higher time frames. Yeah, ES also might be going higher. This looks bullish, guys. I might going to kill the trade earlier. Who knows? I thought that this is going to be it, but it seems like NQ might want to go for previous day high. More than 300 accounts till now. Let's go. Listen, as I said, as long as you can see yourself making it, doing it, don't give up. But anyways, how about this week? I'm going to give away 15, not 50, but 15 accounts. 15 MyFundedFutures rapid giveaway. 15 times 50K MyFundedFutures giveaway this week. 15, yeah, not 5, not 3, not 2, but 15 MyFundedFutures rapid giveaway. How about that? You guys like it? Let's give away 15. Not now. We're going to do it in the New York AM sessions. Just saying. So we're going to do 5 today, 5 tomorrow, and 5 on Thursday. All right. This is how we're going to do it. We're going to spread it out. 5 today, 5 tomorrow, 5 on Thursday. That is how it's going to be. All right. New York AM session. Make sure to stay tuned. Be here. I mean, as soon as I finish up at MyFundedTV in my segment, we're going to do the giveaway stream. And obviously, I'm going to trade as well. So there's going to be, the way we're going to do it is there's going to be a form in the pinned message. It's going to be super easy. And you just have to add your MyFundedFutures email and, of course, your YouTube nickname. And the winners, we're going to do a wheel spin or something. I don't know, whatever. And I'm just going to send your emails to the support and they are going to activate it. All right. So that is how we are going to do. So 15, not 5, not 3, not 2, 15. All right. Just saying. The New York, so I'm gonna be streaming at MyFunded TV at 9 a.m. And as soon as I finish at MyFunded TV, I'm gonna hop over to my channel and we're gonna continue trading and streaming, of course. And then we'll do 5 giveaway today, and the same goes on tomorrow and on Thursday as well. So we're gonna keep the things rolling. And because we're celebrating that we're, you know, punched through 10K subs last week, so I think it's definitely time to celebrate. All right, look at that. This is gonna go higher. All right, I'm gonna kill this trade. I think it just wants to keep on going all the way to yesterday high, I think. It is what it is. Okay, what I can do is actually, all right, took off one and I'm closing it. All right, I've closed the trade because this was not looking good. This was definitely not looking good. And yeah, it's just gonna, you know, push higher anyways. Good morning, ID. Hello there. Did you say my name? I was no, I wasn't. I think I just said that. Congratulations to your new account. Good morning, Honglo. Hello there. And everybody, by the way, smash the likes. That's what actually helps a lot to the channel, for the channel. Smash the like. Let's keep it going. Let me see how we're doing. We are at 32 likes, which is amazing. Can we go higher? Unfortunately, this trade went to the dumpster. So we're going to do something else. Are we going to push through 55? It does seem to me that it wants to push through that 55 level. What do you guys think? It does seem like it wants to. Oh yeah, it does seem like it wants to go through. Wow. Interesting. What do we have higher here? Not much. So that was a nice push yesterday. Hey, Randall, hello there. Yesterday, well, I wasn't streaming, so I wasn't here at my computer, but otherwise my day went good. Everything has been quote-unquote settled. So yeah, everything was great. Thank you. Good to see you, Randall. Martin, good morning. Curry Fishbowl, welcome. The market is trolling everybody right now. So yeah, I had to close that trade. Doesn't matter. I'm still gonna wait. That's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna wait a little bit more. Why not re-enter long, put the stop at the bottom? Maybe, but I'm not usually, even if the draw on liquidity would be previous day high, which is, you know, very much likely to be the draw on liquidity. I don't like to trade for those levels. So if it takes it, awesome. Then maybe I'm going to wait for a possible reversal and take a short. Right now, this is just not my trade. This is not my type of trade. But hey, good luck to you guys for going for previous day high. It seems like it's going to go. It does seem like it wants to push it. There's a downward trend line from 1 month ago. Oh, think we're heading down? It could be. That's why it's a bit of a interesting situation. We do have a liquidity void down there. We do have a 2-minute demand zone down there. So quite a few places to go. Limit order sell at 133. Okay. Randall is expecting price to push higher. Zone trader, hello. Lovely 500 BPR balance price range. London. Okay, so it seems like it wants to continue, right? It seems like it wants to continue. What's the high there? 55, right? It seems like it's smashing through. Very close. very, very, very close, right? What was the high? 55. Yeah, it was 55. Very close. Do you guys think it's gonna push it through? I'm just not sure. Kind of feels like it's just trolling here. Definitely higher. I don't want to have the FOMO, but it does seem like it. 500 points is all you need. Easy. 500 points, easy. Good morning, ID. Hello there. 245. Okay. London wants to add. So is this because Trump tweeted that the war is going to over soon? Because I did see that the market actually went ballistic after he tweeted that the war is going to over soon. Is this because of this? I mean, I don't know. What about oil prices? Crude is back to 86. That's actually not that bad. Okay. I can actually imagine that NQ is just going to troll here, everybody, and it's not going to break the high, but who knows? Oh yeah, TRADEIFY has the lockdown button now. Yeah. He also said it could last 6 months. I know. I know. I don't know, guys. This is all like a crazy situation. But yeah. Look at that. Buyers unable to push it through that level. What was the high on the mini, by the way, yesterday? What was the high here? It was also 58. Sorry, that was 58. So 55 on the micro, 58 on the mini. No, guys, this feels a little bit crazy here. Kind of crazy price action. But anyway, we still have time. Oh, wow. It just smashed through. Okay, never mind. It just went through like nothing. What a morning, guys. What a morning. Is Bulenox really worth it? So expensive. I do trade with them, and I'm having an account ready for payout soon again. I really can't say anything bad about Bulenox. I really can't. Even if I want to. I mean, I try to say something bad. Obviously, the two bad things is that the activation fee is expensive, $148. And the minimum trading days for some of you guys, it might be a little bit too long. 10 minimum trading days, I think. They still have the 10-day rule. I don't know if they changed it, but I think it's still 10. So 10 minimum trading days, which means like bi-weekly payouts, right? So summer, if you rotate like 2 accounts, you can definitely get bi-weekly payouts for sure, but even just 1 account. But I mean, I don't see anything bad with them. Last year I really had a great time in trading payouts. Yeah, London's been moving. Let me check those likes. How are we doing? We are at 45 likes. Let's go. Can we get to 100 today as well? Can we get to 100? We have 4,568 viewers. Let's go. Just smash the likes. It does help out the channel. And guys, if you're just tuning in, let me say that because we passed 10K subs, I'm going to give away 15 MyFundedFutures accounts. So 15 50K rapid MyFundedFutures account. 5 today in the New York stream after I finished with MyFunded TV. 5 tomorrow and 5 on Thursday. So overall 15 MyFundedFutures accounts. I might going to try to get some more accounts from other places, but that's a secret. So 15, yes. I'm not swimming in money. I can actually show you guys the email. I got the email from Kevin. From partnerships. Where is his email? So just to show you guys that this was offered by MyFundedFutures. Look at that. Look at that. Rapid plan giveaway for your followers. You see? Rapid plan giveaway for your followers. Hi, Tom. Absolutely. I can give you 15 50K rapid accounts to give out throughout the week. Just send me the email addresses when you have them. Here are some graphics that you can use as well. So I do have some graphics here. All right. I'm going to put out. So 15 50K rapid accounts from MyFundedFutures. So, but as you can see, it has been offered for the followers, not for me, for the followers. Just saying. No. Everybody, not just me. Sorry, not for my. The thing is, whoever is here and you have a registered email address with MyFundedFutures, a registered account, then you are eligible for a giveaway. So I'm very happy that they offered this 15 accounts for the community. Yeah. The rapid accounts are very much like the rapid accounts are very popular. And Fan, hello there. Thank you for joining. I mean, you can get through that intraday stage quite fast. Base hits, you know, base hits. Hey, Banks, what's up? What's up? All right. So now that we swept the 25,055, how about we can finally concentrate on the sells? How about that? I think the rapid account is a good one. Yeah, I think it's a good account. By the way, Funded Futures Network is also back with the buy one get one for free, but it's now 40% off, not 50%. Okay, so the Funded Futures Network buy one get one for free is back until the end of the month, but they raised the price. I mean, it's not 50%, but it's 40% off. Just saying. Actually, let me see how much would that be. And there's a new account type which is called Express Funding. Anyway, let me see. Also 5 winning days to pass, no exhibition. What? Max 50? I gotta check. I gotta check the discount currently. Yeah, $96. $96, which means $48 per account instead of 37. Paul, hello. Welcome, Paul. So let's see. What I want to see is actually a drop. I really want to see a drop here. A drop down to 958 or lower. N, hello N, good morning, welcome back. So I'd love to see a drop lower. There's no levels that I can go with. Not even on the 3 minute, nothing on the 4 minute. The only zone is down there. Quite a bit of a drop, like 70 points, which is not impossible. But there's nothing down there. Yeah, it seems like it was only up for now, but I'm just a little bit interested if we're gonna sell off here just a little bit, you know, down to below 25k. I'm a little bit interested in that. Apex is funny, 450k account, 297 trading drawdown of the day. What does that tell you? Trading drawdown or a scam? It's just it's I wouldn't say it's practically a scam. It's just harder to pass. That's it. It's just harder to pass it. Obviously, mathematically speaking, like the end of day trailing gives you a better chance to pass the account, right? That's why it's more expensive. But you know. AQ 1 hour retested the fair value gap. Yeah, it did. No, it didn't. Oh, it did. Oh yeah, this one down here. It tested the fair value gap. Swept higher. We still have a high up there, by the way, at 82. I think we need to acknowledge that level. Possible buy side, which is going to be a 1 hour fair value gap. Up there. Potentially. Yes, kaboom, 68.30. Let's wait. Waiting for 150 to 200 for short. I'm definitely waiting for a short trade here, but I don't know. Yeah, I understand, Randall. I understand the concern. I completely understand that. Yesterday passed 650k apex. Let's go. Nice package of new funded accounts. So let me check. How are we doing? How are we doing with the likes? We are at 68. Only need 32 more. Guys, we're close to 200 viewers. We need 32 likes to get to 100. 32. Easy. Easy peasy. Mac and cheesy. Where do we have your fair value gap on the 1 hour? On the 1 hour. On the 1 hour here. This would be one, right? But let me just because we have so many markups here, right? So let me put this here. I don't have any other. I mean, we have another one higher. Sorry. So we have one here. We have a 1 hour down there, and we have a 1 hour up here on the micro, right? Maybe it's not there on the mini. I don't know. It's there. Okay, it's there on the mini too. Okay. Yeah, these are the ones. We're gonna get this off. 918, 918. I mean, that's where it starts, right? Let me just get the number here on the micro. Yeah, 920. Maybe on the mini it's 18. Let me check it on the mini. Hold on. On the mini, it's 919.75. And on the micro, it's 920 where it starts. At least the way I have it here on TradingView. Four-hour fair value gap. Ooh, we have so many fair value gaps, guys. It's gonna make us dizzy. Okay, 834. Yeah, there's a 4-hour fair value gap at 834. Oh my gosh, we have so many levels here. I feel like we have more opportunities on the downside, by the way. Then on the upside, but I could be wrong. All right, let's switch back to 1 minute because we have now so many levels. You know, we can easily push it up to that 82 fair value gap. Look at that. How close we're getting. If it goes to the fair value gap, it's going down. So it goes up to this 1 hour fair value gap and then goes down. That's also a plan. How many live accounts can take with my fair? You can have 5 simulated funded accounts, and I think 1 live account. 550k accounts, but 350. So it's maximized in 350k simulated accounts, but I think 1 live account at a time. I know that indicator, Goran. I know that. I don't know. Somehow I don't really like it. I don't really like that indicator. It kind of messes up my vision, actually. I tried it a couple of times, but it's like, eh. But it's a good indicator, I guess. I mean, I know many traders are using it. It's just, I tried, you know. We are at 78 likes. 22 more to go. 22 more likes. All right, seems like we're going into 82. And by the way, on the 15-second chart, there is nothing here. Well, we're just gonna wait and see. Small gap at 67. It does seem like NQ wants to push higher. I don't know. London is about to open in 15 minutes. So we'll see how it goes. Okay. Oh my gosh. I should buy a PS5 or Xbox. And just play some video games until we're waiting. We could do that, I guess. And did I forgot to answer N? And thank you for asking. I'm doing great, and it's good to see you back on the stream. Yesterday I was a little bit busy, to be honest. I was, and this Thursday, there's going to be no London stream. I'm sorry, but I have to take my mother to hospital to hospital. She's okay, but she has to get the treatment every 3 months. Actually, every month, but now they said anyway, I have to take her to the doctor, and so I won't be here in London session, but I will be here in New York, and I will be here in MyFunded TV. So this week is a bit of a, up and down, but we're gonna have the giveaways. We're gonna have the MyFundedFutures giveaways. So we'll do it. Dominic, good to see you back. I had a long opening and decided to close 200. FOMO. Yeah, I know how it is, man. The FOMO, definitely. That can definitely kick in. Leslie, hello. Good morning. I have one live at MyFundedFutures. I thought there were more, but it's okay. I have daily payouts, which is, yeah, the daily payouts are absolutely amazing. And by the way, that is so amazing that you're on the live account, man. Congratulations. That is super cool. That is amazing. On the live account. That is amazing. I think this one's gonna go and hit that 82. Look at that. It's just gonna hit it. So close, right? The 1 hour fair value gap is just so close. What do you guys think? Long since midnight, let's go. Yeah, Konstantin, that is just an amazing achievement. Lots of discipline. Whether everyday payout rather than 5-day. I mean, I guess it's also a subjective thing, right? So some traders do love the daily payouts. That's why Take Profit Trader is so popular as well. No questions asked, you know, just taking out money. I mean, if you're above the buffer and you have enough room to trade or enough wiggle room and you have like a good session, there's nothing wrong with that, I think. Taking out some profits. I mean, it gives you that freedom. Like you can take out money any day once you're above the safety net, right? If you have a good session, take it out, right? Adam, hello there. Just passing to say, hey, thank you so much. Thank you for dropping by. Yeah, I will be back at the MyFunded TV stream today and tomorrow and the whole week. Yesterday I was just a little bit super busy. But yeah, I'll be back. Zoom out on the 5-minute. Thank you for dropping in, Adam. On ES, sorry. Yeah, ES took the high. W pattern. I don't know, Pipster. I'm not sure. W here. War. Is this the pattern? I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I know I'm not gonna say that. I don't want to go into politics. I mean, well, that's not really going into politics, but I saw a short piece of the interview with the Iranian foreign minister, and the reporter was asking him like, aren't you afraid about the US troops are gonna go in there and, you know? And the guy was like, no, we're waiting for them. And then 3 seconds of silence, like, no, we're waiting for them. I was like, oh, and he was smiling. And the guy was smiling, like, no, we're waiting for them. And I was like, what the hell? That doesn't sound good. That's not a good thing. That's what he said. And the reporter was like silent for 2 or 3 seconds, sorry. Like, huh? Thank you has 1 hour SMT with YM. Oh, well, the day made here. Okay, let's see. Look at it, how tricky it is. It didn't really go to the 1 hour gap right now. Let's go. We are at 210 viewers. Thank you. Yeah, K-Bell, thank you so much, and everybody for being here, hanging, and just, you know, having a good time. 13 more likes, everybody. 13. We're at 87. Can we get to 100 likes? Can we get to 100 likes? And of course, this week, 15 MyFundedFutures accounts giveaway. So let's get it, everyone. 12 more likes to go. 12 more. Run is long from 25. 10 to go. Oh, from 50. Okay. Long on 50. All right. 50 is good too. It could be a tricky one, so be careful there, Ron. 8 more to go. 8 more to get to 100 likes. I know we can do it. We can do it. 7 more. The thing is, I don't like this range here. This is not my type of entry. Once we could, you know, break lower than here, like that 23 area, 25,023, maybe I would go into a short, but for now it seems like it's still like good for the long positions, right? Mark, hello, what's up? Good morning. Coach Carter, hello. 5 minutes till London session. Let's see. Yes, so everybody's super curious what London is going to give us. 104 likes, everybody. Thank you. We have 104 likes. Thank you so much. Good team. Busy lately. Thank you. I'm missing you too, man. But I was super busy yesterday as well, and the whole week is like a little bit busy for me too. And if you're just tuning in and you to the stream, I'm just adding this info over and over that until March 29, because that's when Europe is going to switch to the summer daylight saving time. Anyway, I just can't squeeze the early New York session, like the 7 a.m. session, into my day, because when I finish here in the London session, I have other things to do outside of trading, and I go to the gym as well. I go to do some things, and then I'm not sure I can get back in time for the 7 a.m. session. That would be a really hard for me to get back in time. So I don't know how I'm going to do it. What I might going to do is when I finish up my segment at My Funded TV, I can instantly switch over to my channel here, and we can do the 10 a.m. New York session, you know, maybe as long as we have some setups going on, right? So maybe we can do that. So I'm trying to, you know, schedule my day as much as possible, because I do want to trade as well. I do like to stream as well. And anyway, until Europe is switching to the summer daylight saving time, then it's going to be a little bit like crazy. I'll try my best. You can only look the levels, not the interim price action to trade. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Trading Star, hello. Hey, thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, we made it above 10K, which is amazing. Amazing. And this is why part of the reason it will be amazing to do the giveaways. Stocks down. Usually it depends on how many accounts I want to trade. Usually I take 3-4 trades a day, including London and New York. Now, if I'm working on 2 or 3 accounts at a time, that number can actually go up. So I would say that on one account, I try to reduce it like for 2 trades on one account, per account. And so if I work on 2 or 3 accounts, this can go up to like 5 or 6, 7, depending on how the market is moving. Now, I had a small stop loss here earlier. So I'm a little bit confused now. Are we going to hit the 1 hour fair value gap, or are we going to drop? We have the London Open in like 35 seconds. I feel like it just wants to push it to 82. So yeah, it's It's a bit of a tough call. What is that? 82, right? Yeah, that's 82. So I don't know. Kind of feels like it might want to go higher. But at the same time, I don't know. So here we go, almost at London Open. And here it is. London is open for business. Is there an activation fee? Yes, $79. The activation fee on the accounts from 50K to 100K. Sorry, 25K. Is there a 25K account? 25K to 100K, it's 79 lifetime activation fee, and above 100K, it's 99, I think. Something like that. Could we tag the level up there? Yes, oh, sorry. Oh, totally forgot that. Ollie, yes, we have the pre-market open and London at the same time. Exactly. Pre-market open and London. So we just had the pre-market open too, guys. We just had the pre-market open. Totally forgot that. Thank you for reminding me, Ollie. For the beginner trader, this 3-week, as I said, it's going to be tricky, yes. If someone is brand new in trading, this could be a little confusing about the trading times. But it's okay. Yeah, totally forgot about this, guys. So we have the pre-market open as well at 4 a.m. So London and electronic trading hours for stocks at the same time. Look at the gap higher on Nvidia, Tesla, Meta, everything bullish open here on NQ. It actually, Randall, it doesn't mean anything. It just means that the electronic trading hours are open for the stocks. That's it, nothing more. And that some traders are suggesting, including myself, like assuming that there should be some extra volume popping into the market as the stocks open. We could see a bit of a volume surge around or after 4 a.m. like a potential for another directional move can be happening as the bigger players may start moving those Mag 7 stocks, right? So orders could be flowing into the market right after 4 a.m. depending on how the market closed yesterday. So the quote-unquote pre-market open is like a possible expectancy that we could see some possible extra volume, nothing more. Hold on just a second. All right, sorry. The market makers. The market makers. I was on the phone. So we smashed through that level up there. Yes, I will, Trading Star. I will. I will. I was focusing like on everything, but I will, Trading Star. Wink, you know, Trading Star. I know what to do. Oh, look at that. 133 is getting closer. Randall has that limit order up there. So Leo Grossman, hello, you're a get. Hello. Hey. Köszönöm szépen jól. The best brother from another mother and a different father. Hello. All right, still pushing higher. I can't take a trade on this yet. Satish is here. Hello. Welcome, Satish. Still getting higher, still getting higher. What is going on? Unbelievable. Okay, swept the high here. We swept this one. Now what, you know? Seems like Randall got the order tagged, I think. Look at that. 140 swept. I reserve right to adjust my limit orders in accordance to price action. Yeah, okay, Randall. But your order, are you in the trade? I think you are, right? CVD is going lower. We're gonna go to 240. What a push here. Guys, I don't know. I don't know. Getting higher. By the way, there's an absolutely amazing zone up there. We could be heading higher. No surprise, right? There's a 1 hour level right there. That would be a 1 hour supply zone. 1 hour supply zone way up there. $358. Okay. All right, I'm starting to think like this one is just going to keep moving higher. Andy, hello there. Gold to 5,200. Yeah. All right, guys, this seems like the bears are definitely not at the party right now. There's no chance right now that this is like gonna drop. I don't know. Told you 68.22. We hit that. Let's go. Good job, man. Good job, Mr. Smith. Bitcoin is pushing too. Oh, back to 70K. Almost 71K now. All right. Yeah, no worries. You send me a I'm not gonna be angry, sure. Sure, absolutely, no problemo. Absolutely. Hold on. I need to check. So are we gonna drop here or what? All right. So what is going on? Are we gonna go higher or lower? 141 or not? I don't know. Is this gonna go or not? You know, as much as I wanted to be bearish, now I'm just scared to take any trade on this level. Like, really. Around the 133. Yeah. All right. I'm feeling like I might want to scalp a little bit here. Down to 95. Jumped into a short. Let's scalp it. If you ask me why, the reason is simple. There is a very small zone down there on the seconds chart. So I'm scalping on the 15-second chart. I can't believe that I'm saying this, but I'm scalping on the 15-second chart. It's kind of crazy, to be honest, that I'm doing it. But I'm scalping on the 15-second chart. I'm moving it to this is on a funded account though. A little bit was very close. Moved it one tick higher. I'm not bored. I was waiting for this all my life. Hold on. Can you feel it? Coming in the air at night. Hold on. I've been waiting for this moment all session. Oh, I just added 2 more. Hold on. Oh no, it's gonna hit my stop. Oh, it was so close. It was so close. Oh, come on, man. I've been waiting for this moment. We're gonna pretend this never happened, all right? Oh no. Oh, it's not good. It's done. Well, we tried. Let me get this off. Okay. We tried, but it's still, I think it should be hitting that level down there at that 95 level. I tried. Two losses this session. I really wanted this to hit down that level. But what can you do, right? Du-dun, du-dun, du-dun. Du-dun, 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 du-dun. You know. All right. It seems like we're going higher. I thought there's going to be at least a bit of a pullback down to that small zone there, but it's not doing it. So what can you do, right? We could be potentially having the push higher, way up there to the 200s here. No surprise. $200 area short. Well, it now seems like it wants to go for the 200 area. What a move. What a move here. All right, see you next session. Ollie, thank you for being here. Have a good one. Well, so far, not much of a pullback happened. Randall is re-entering the original position with just one contract. Then I'm waiting to add one contract full position. Let's see. Well, this is definitely going to be a little bit interesting. My original TP was down at 96.50. You know. Yeah, we can go over on gold. Let's see what's happening on gold. Oh, wow. Yeah, so on gold, we had a 3-minute demand zone, which got tagged right here after the London Open. Look at the reaction on the 3-minute demand zone. It kind of feels bullish now that it wants to break that 51.96, at least on the 1 minute. On the 5-minute and the higher time frames, I don't see anything else. We have this high here at 52.09. I don't know what to think of it. Honestly, on the 5 and the 15-minute, there's nothing there. I'm a little bit surprised, like how this zone was not being taken out completely on the 3-minute chart. And we still have this bullish pin bar here on the 15-minute. So honestly, I wouldn't do anything with gold right now. I don't know. It's a little bit scary to look into it. You understand what I'm doing now? This is against the known rules, but I do this a lot in choppy markets. I'm following you with that. I mean, you entered into a short position, Randall. Original position. Okay. I mean, I do like the idea that this NQ could be at least pulling back just a little bit before going higher. That would be something I like to see. But it doesn't seem like it will do it now. I'm feeling it coming in the... Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Practically stuck here. I don't know. It feels bullish. It just feels like it wants to make it through the 150 and then higher, you know. That's why it's tricky. I thought that it's gonna at least test below the 100 level. That's why I wanted to. I really was trying to go with that short earlier, but what can you do, right? Oh, I see. Well, that's a good strategy, Randall. Pre-planned the situation. I don't like this area here. This kind of gives me like bullish vibes here, but yeah, it's just it will not pull back enough. I think it wants to accumulate higher to the 150s. This is just not enough. At least not for now. No, I don't want to scalp it. I don't want to jump into anything because now I feel like it's just one small move and it's just going to bust through the 150 level up there. It does seem like it. Looks bullish. Market makers are always trying to take you out, so screw them. Yeah. I don't know. Feels like we're stuck in this range and we're going to see a further push up to 150, but interesting that it missed my 96.50 level down there. That's why I put the alert there. Watching oil. Attila is watching oil. Hello there. Resistance 200. 4-hour rush. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Closed long after 22 points. Don't worry. There will be another chance. I know. Now it feels like it wants to go to that 150 first. But no confirmation. The ES trade. No. I had these two losses. Not a good start of the London session for me. $150 likes. How we are doing? We are at 115, so we can push it a little bit higher. Yeah, I don't know what the heck. It does all this sideways action here was just kind of giving me like bullish accumulation vibes. So, you know. The market just can't make up its mind. That's not as a regular SPS. I got approved same day. It took almost 2 weeks to get approved. Oh, you got approved. Oh. Oh. They're still under investigation. Oh my gosh. My God. They need to fart around getting mug trades. Yeah, Randall, I feel like maybe there is one more chance to wait for a bit of a pullback here as a short. Definitely indecision here. Oil is popping. It's 87.38 now. Let's see. Apex is investigating the accounts for Lessie, but it's still the legacy accounts, the old ones, I think. Oh, still from the legacy accounts, I guess. I heard news from traders who got payout from the new accounts. There were no issue. I mean, got approved. Instantly. Yeah, that's true. That's true, Leslie. That is absolutely true. Valid point. Absolutely. So what the heck is going on right now with this? Yeah, I think now that's going to be the next thing that people might do. After 5 payouts, everybody's going to blow up their accounts and start a new one. It's very strange price action. It's really a bit of a crazy situation here. They put you on live after 1 payout. Wow. I heard some rumors that they want to put people to live accounts as soon as possible because they don't really want to pay from their own pockets because of, you know, demo accounts. And that's why they're trying to put everybody that's possible to a live account. But who knows? Maybe we do have a bit of a push here. I want to add either TRADEDAY or Bulenox. Which one do you prefer? The platforms? I use NinjaTrader and TradeAway. With NinjaTrader, so Bulenox only allows rhythmic connection. So NinjaTrader can have only one rhythmic connection at a time. Just saying, all right? So only rhythmic connection available at Bulenox. But like, I think both are really good. No issues. TRADEDAY is solid as well. It's hard to decide. I think it's a platform question. Depending on which platform you like better, I guess. So, you know. So is this gonna push to the 50s or what? That's a great platform. Don't know anyone who has issues with that. I had never any issues with Bulenox. Never, ever, never. They really were doing great. Payouts were smooth. Everything was really good with them. So absolutely no issues. $160 is incoming. What's at 160? Might gonna be. $160. Well, if we go to 160, which is quite possible. There's a bit of a resistance up there. I'm kind of waiting for 150 or some sort of a down close candle or displacement to the downside, because there are some good levels on the down end, but I had 2 stop losses already, so I'm not sure if I want to engage, but we'll see. But we are getting closer. Some new high. Did we just make a new high? I think we did. Yeah. So 150 is still there. I'm curious why you'd pick NQ to scalp instead of London stocks. I'm not trading stocks, but I mean, ES. Maybe you're referring to ES, right? So what's it gonna be, NQ? What's it gonna be, NQ? Six-minute chart. I'm not trading the FTSE. Sorry. One reason is that there is no subscription at the prop firms, and I just don't. You know, prop firms. I think Apex has access to it with an extra payment fee, but I don't know. I'm just not really trading those. Oh, where is this? Gold is pushing. Let's see. Still kind of wondering what's the deal with NQ here. Mr. Smith. Oh, we reached the 5200. Nice call. Nice. Yeah, 5200. Good, good, good. Yeah, nice little push here. I wish I would have had a zone here up there. That would have been a nice little target. I don't know if there's anything on the 1 minute. I think there was, maybe. Hold on. Oh, there wasn't. Well, it is what it is. But hey, that's a nice call there, Mr. Smith. That was a real good call. Made 2K on the NQ push. Wow, Polar Monkey. Nice. Congratulations. Yeah, I think NQ is not finished yet. So I don't know. I'm quite curious what Randall thinks about the current situations. Can we actually see a drop? Or is it not ready yet? You're short? Oh, hot position. Mid to 145. Okay. You know, I still have my level down there at 96.50. Would be interesting to see that level being tagged. Failed bounce. It's actually, but I don't think so. It might done for the session. Yeah. Sideways action is definitely a little bit annoying. Well, we're gonna have, yeah, we're still like 15 minutes away from the kill zone, quote unquote kill zone's end. Yeah, and the problem is this sideways action. I mean, there's not enough distance. No fair value gaps, just barcoding. That's the problem. No levels in this sideways action here. ICT stuff ain't working if there's lots of, well, I think nothing is working when there's lots of consolidation, like not too many things, I guess. It's down to point of control 20 EMA. So yeah, it's about patience right now. Yeah. It's all about patience. Yeah, I'm not following the new things around ICT either. I did learn a lot from some of his lectures, but you know. With this price section, and the best is 50% right now. Ah. Well, it's really a 50-50% right now. I wish I could see something, but first we need to get out from this range. Down 2.5. What does that mean? $2.5. Okay. $2.5. Sorry. Well, that's manageable, I think, Randall. That is still manageable. Hey, thank you, Faceless Man. Yeah, we managed to make it through the 10K last week. It was amazing. Lots of new subs, and I do appreciate. Like, it was so great. Absolutely amazing. I wonder if this one now wants to break this level here. Like down below that, there's a small level. Actually, where is that? Down below 13. It could actually go all the way down. You know, there's a possibility. Look at that. Are we going to get my level at 96? The FOMO. The FOMO. The FOMO is real. I'm going to tell you why. Because I was trying to short. So this is what I tried to do here earlier. Right? This. I got stopped out here. And we went back down to the zone. All right, that's it, guys. I can't take it anymore. This market just got the best. 2 stop losses in this London session is not a good start, at least not for me. So I'm just gonna leave it at that, everybody. I knew that it will go down to 96. I mean, I didn't know it, but I'm so pissed off that I got taken out here. I was like 2 points close to my take profit, 2 points, and it went back up there. And now anyway. You know, I tried 2 stop losses. Not such a good day so far, but anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll be back for My Funded TV, and today I might gonna do the opposite. So after My Funded TV stream, maybe if I have time I will stream before. I don't know, guys. It's gonna be spontaneous, I think, but I will give away 5 My Funded TV 5 My Funded Futures rapid accounts today, okay, and 5 tomorrow and 5 on Thursday. So I'll be back sometime New York. I don't know, before My Funded TV or after. I really need to see how my day is gonna go. And anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you would like to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO up there. You see it in the banner. The affiliate commissions does help a lot to the channel, to me. Without that, it would be definitely more difficult. So this is part of the journey. Thank you so much. There's some sales going on. Buy one, get one for free at Funded Futures Network. My Funded Futures Rapid and Pro accounts are on sale. I think maybe even the Flex as well. But Take Profit Trader daily payouts. Apex 80%, not 90 but 80. Bulenox 89. Check out all the deals. Lucid Trading, yeah, check out Lucid. Thank you so much. I'll be back somewhere around New York. All right. God bless you all, and stay safe. All right. Cheers. God bless.